Hey y'all, okay, so this is what I got for food today. I went to the first shop and got meat that was on sale that I liked, and then I got the chocolate, and then I got the vegetables, and this is what we're going to do. Part 1. So I got organic, free-range chicken, and I got beef, which is sort of like a roast. I'm gonna make a stew and a roast with this. And with the chicken, I'm gonna make half sort of fajita filling, and then half sort of curry filling. And instead of having simple carbs, I'm gonna serve things with either risotto that I'm gonna make or barley, because I like that and I didn't want any simple carbs besides the vegetables. Okay, so I have harissa, which is if you see, it's tomato paste kind of with hot spices, and let's see what's actually in it. It's got different spices. It tastes really good. This is awesome in lasagna, soup, stew, pizza. It's really good. And then I've got 2 cans of crushed or chopped tomatoes, and then bell peppers, cilantro. What was that? Yeah. Onions, a lime, carrots, potatoes, and ginger root. And you can actually eat, you don't have to peel it or anything. You can eat it like this. So I'm going to do a couple of things with this. I'm going to shave off a little bit of it and put it in a mug and pour boiling water over it for a ginger infusion, either hot or cold. Love that. Then I'm going to take some of it and I'm going to add to the chicken. And so part of the chicken, so let's see, so we've got the meat. So I'm gonna make 2 different things with this and 2 different things with this. And then one of them with the chicken, I'm gonna have ginger, lime, and onion, and harissa, and tomato for half of the chicken. And for half of the meat, I'm going to have the tomato, carrot, potato, cilantro, pepper. So I'm just going to divide it now. So I've divided the meat. This is 2 different meats, and each one's going to have 2 things. So there's going to be 4 things. Video number 2 is going to start there. Okay.